Welcome back to my channel, people. Brownbossjatours. Yes, people, so we're back at it again. Today we're in Montego Bay, to be exact, Sam Sharpe Square, or otherwise known as Parade. Here, looking at the tree that they have erected, the Christmas tree. On this day, December 17th, 2023, they're going to have the official tree lighting ceremony held here at the square. So as you can see, the roads have been blocked off. That's St. James Street, blocked off. No traffic can access this point. So persons can just, gather around. And we have vendors of all sorts here, mainly to facilitate kids because it's like a family event. Families will just come here with their children and listen music, buy kiddie stuff, eat food, especially popcorn, sweets, candy cane, stuff like that. So it's just a really good time for the family. All right, and you can see the sounds have been strung up, and persons just walking along or just standing by listening to music being played. And as you can see there's a man juggling pillows. So it's an event for everybody to be a part of. All right, the entire Montego Bay, and also persons from other parishes will come just to see this event. In the night, they'll have like a stage show where they have like artists passing by. They'll have a lot of giveaways, as it relates to sponsors, giving away stuff for persons to win. So yes, people, it's buzzing right now here in Montego Bay. All right, as you can see, persons are just walking by. It's early. All right, it's just being set up. So persons are just, coming from work or just passing by. It's not until like late in the night. They're about 7 p.m. when you'll see things start off. The tree lighting usually is done at about like 10 p.m. in the night or even earlier, and they'll do a countdown and you'll see the tree being lit. All right, and persons will just go crazy and be, amazed of the lights, especially for the young ones, just to see how amazing this is. They'll always remember this and share it with their friends when they go back to school. As you know, they're on holiday right now, so they're just at home giving trouble and going around the place, causing mischief. All right, but it's a really good time here for kids. And as you can see, vendors are out and about, selling their stuff, clothes items, food, everything that you can think of right now. People are just juggling. I used to come here when I was a little boy, people. So, I'm no stranger to this. And each year it gets larger and larger, depending on the sponsorship that they'll get. As you know, it will involve the municipality and some other stakeholders here. Recently they have added a new tiling here to the fountain, the water fountain. As you can see, the tiles there, different color variations. So look at it, people. It definitely is something to see right now in St. James and Parade. So yes, people, there you go. It's a really huge tree, and they have changed it over the years, like use smaller trees at a different end of Parade, but they have reverted back to the large tree, where they have to get like large truck for men to install it. But yes, guys, later on in the night this area will be jam-packed because some years I've been here, it was like really packed. You couldn't even find place to walk. All right, but it will be pure madness later on in the night, people. All right, so thank you for watching, people. Brownbossjatours signing out. Peace.